Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appeal of your Palmetto Bay home. Over time, however, they can experience wear and tear, making it essential to recognize the signs that it may be time for a replacement. Whether you're dealing with drafty rooms, rising energy bills, or a lackluster appearance, outdated or damaged windows can cause problems. In this article, we'll explore 5 key signs that it's time to invest in new windows for your home. Increased energy bills. One of the most common signs that your windows are due for replacement is a noticeable rise in your energy bills. If you've been cranking up the air conditioning during Palmetto Bay's hot and humid summer months, or your heating system seems to be working overtime in the winter, it could be because your windows aren't functioning as they should. Old or worn-out windows often have poor insulation properties. Gaps, cracks, or failed seals allow air from outside to enter your home, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain your desired temperature. As a result, you're likely spending more on heating and cooling. New windows, especially those with double or triple panes, can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency by offering better insulation and preventing air leaks. Visible condensation or moisture buildup. If you frequently notice condensation or moisture buildup between the panes of your windows, it's a clear indication that the seal has failed. This can be more than just a cosmetic issue, it's also a sign of diminished window performance. When seals fail, the insulating air between the panes escapes, leaving your windows less energy efficient. Moisture buildup can also lead to the growth of mold and mildew, particularly in the humid climate of Palmetto Bay, which can impact both your home's air quality and the structural integrity of your windows. Replacing your windows can restore their insulating properties and prevent moisture-related issues. Difficulty opening and closing. Windows that are difficult to open, close, or lock can be a safety hazard, as well as a sign of aging or damage. Over time, window frames can warp due to the natural expansion and contraction caused by heat and humidity. This can lead to the frame becoming misaligned, making it hard to operate the window properly. If you're struggling to open or close your windows, it's time to consider a replacement. Modern windows are designed for smoother operation, so investing in new windows will provide both improved security and convenience. Drafts and uneven temperature. Have you noticed drafts in certain areas of your home, or do certain rooms feel significantly warmer or cooler than others? These temperature inconsistencies can be a result of damaged or inefficient windows. Windows are one of the most common places where heat can escape in winter, and in summer, they may let in the heat from outside, making your cooling system work harder. Feeling a draft around the edges of your windows is a definite sign that they are no longer properly sealing your home from the elements. New windows, especially those designed for energy efficiency, can eliminate drafts and help maintain a more consistent temperature throughout your home, keeping you comfortable all year long. Visible damage or deterioration. Windows take a lot of wear and tear, and over time, you may begin to notice visible signs of damage. Cracked, chipped or broken glass, damaged frames, or rotting wood are all signs that your windows need attention. In addition to compromising your home's appearance, these issues can reduce your home's energy efficiency and security. Damaged windows also pose a safety risk, as broken glass or deteriorating frames can cause injuries or make it easier for burglars to break in. If your windows are showing signs of serious wear, it's best to replace them to maintain the safety, comfort, and aesthetic appeal of your home. Conclusion: your windows are more than just a means to let in natural light and enjoy the view of your Palmetto Bay surroundings. They're an essential part of your home's overall performance. If you're experiencing any of the signs mentioned above, it may be time to replace your windows to improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and security. Whether you're dealing with rising energy bills, difficulty operating your windows, or visible damage, investing in new windows can make a world of difference. Upgrading your windows is a long-term investment that can enhance your home's curb appeal, increase its value, and provide a more comfortable living space. If you're noticing any of these signs, consider contacting a professional window replacement company to explore your options and make your Palmetto Bay home more energy efficient and secure for years to come.